Welcome to First Guardian Equities Weekly News Roundup. ASPI surpasses 16,000 points for first time. The all-share price index crossed 16,000 for the first time, marking a historic milestone for the Colombo Stock Exchange amid strong investor activity. CSE processing 4 to 5 more IPOs. The Colombo Stock Exchange is handling 4 to 5 initial public offerings, signaling increased investor interest and opportunities for capital market growth. YTD foreign inflows to Govt securities dip, rise at CSE. Year-to-date foreign inflows into government securities declined, while investments in equities at the CSE surged, reflecting shifting investor sentiment toward the stock market. Sri Lanka's freshly issued sovereign bonds start trading. Sri Lanka's new sovereign bonds began trading, attracting investors and reflecting optimism about the country's economic recovery and fiscal strategies. Fitch rates SL's new bonds CCC+. Fitch assigned a CCC+ rating to Sri Lanka's newly issued bonds, highlighting improved risk management and positive steps in debt restructuring. Higher taxes and economic growth drive SL's budget surplus. Higher tax revenues and economic growth contributed to Sri Lanka achieving a budget surplus, signaling improved fiscal health and boosting investor confidence. Worker remittances see 10.4% YOY growth. Worker remittances grew by 10.4% year-on-year, providing a strong foreign exchange buffer and contributing positively to the country's financial stability. Gross official reserves stand at $6.5 billion in November. Sri Lanka's gross reserves reached $6.5 billion in November, reflecting stronger foreign exchange management and external sector stability. Tourism records highest monthly arrivals in December. December witnessed the highest monthly tourist arrivals, supporting businesses in travel, hospitality, and related sectors, which contribute significantly to the economy. BOI attracts $608 million in 2024. Sri Lanka's Board of Investment secured $608 million in investments for 2024, signaling continued interest in the country's economic growth potential. Sri Lanka concludes landmark 6.5 billion rupees wind power securitization deal. A 6.5 billion rupees wind power securitization deal was finalized, marking a milestone for renewable energy investments in Sri Lanka. Tourist arrivals grow by 38% to 2 million in 2024. Tourist arrivals grew by 38% in 2024, reaching 2 million, boosting revenue in the tourism sector and driving economic recovery. Construction sector sees activities expand at slower pace in November. The construction sector expanded at a slower pace, indicating cautious growth in infrastructure projects amid economic recovery efforts. S&P sticks with selective default status on SL's foreign currency sovereign credit rating. S&P retained Sri Lanka's selective default status on foreign currency ratings, reflecting ongoing challenges despite debt restructuring progress. Mixed bag for export apparel sector. The apparel export sector faced mixed outcomes in 2024, with growth in certain markets and challenges in others, reflecting shifting global demand patterns.